I'm really liking this thing though. I love the mukbangs. Although I don't do really huge mukbangs, I do enjoy it. But I really love the ASMR. I really love it. I find my own self being intrigued by the different aspects of ASMR, characters. I also like the whispering. I like not necessarily the belching and the burping. And someone asked me what was the difference between belching and burping. And I'm going to give you all the example that I gave that person. Okay. The difference between, excuse me, oh my gosh. The difference between belching and burping is when you belch, it comes from the gut. It's one of those long. That's a burp. I'm going to show you guys a burp, a belch. If I get one, I can't make a belch come. But basically the difference between a belch and a burp, it's a burp, is something when you're eating, that's a burp. A belch goes, it comes from the gut. You know what I mean? Now, burp. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sit here for a little while, because usually once I get off camera is when the belches come. And I kind of want to give you a direct example of what a belch sounds like. It's a burp. Oh, excuse me, those are burps. This is water. Burp. Whew. I'm going to go off, come back. I'm quite sure I'll get a burp, a belch up out of me. That was a belch. Thank you so much for tuning in to Saucy ASMRs and Mukbangs. Please share with your friends. Also share with your family. Share with all of those that love the gift and the art of ASMR videos, AMSR tapping, AMSR whispering, AMSR role playing, all types of things. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please tell your friends, your family, your brother, your sister, your cousin, your stepsister, whoever, that Saucy ASMRs and Mukbangs is here. Mwah!